Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's video is about how to increase your profits drop shipping by adding what we call the 1 in 10 strategy. So let's launch straight into it. Note though, this 1 in 10 strategy, which I'm going to show you now, is an advanced drop shipping strategy. I would not recommend using this strategy unless you're experienced with drop shipping and you're already selling at least $1,000 per day. Now, for those that have been following me for some time, you'll know that I highly encourage people who are new to the world of dropshipping that they start with only using proven dropship products, i.e. dropship products which have sold twice or more in the last 30 days by other dropship sellers. If that sounds like gibberish or you don't know how to find dropship products which have sold twice or more in the last 30 days by other dropship sellers, I'll put a link on the screen and below to a previous week's video which shows you how to get that information, including how and where to find dropship suppliers. The 1 in 10 strategy in this week's video involves using unproven items. And this is why this strategy is only for experienced dropship sellers. The way it works is this. Most dropship suppliers have a link to a page which shows their new items. Sometimes this page is called new arrivals, like this page at Dropship Zone. Now, the great thing about the new arrivals is very often there'll be no competition for those items, which means that you can list those items normally at a higher margin. Another important thing here to note is most dropship suppliers put a lot of effort into choosing which items to import. In other words, these items, these new items, they put a lot of effort into researching them before they sell them, or before they import them. So these new items, they're very often products which, well and truly researched and also have a high demand. Now, the reason we call this strategy the 1 in 10 strategy is because every 10th listing that you or your virtual assistants list is one of these new unproven items from your supplier. Now, the reason why the 1 in 10 strategy is an advanced strategy is because you or your VAs need to choose which of these new items to list. And the only way to do that is to look at the new items and select which products look like a normal dropship item. And of course, the only way to know what looks like a normal dropship item is from previous experience listing proven dropship items. This is why I harp on about first starting with proven dropship items before adding unproven items. I hope this video helped you with how to increase profits dropshipping by implementing the 1 in 10 rule. If you need any help scaling up your business, make sure you check out the step-by-step videos below. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the No Fluff channel that teaches how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using eBay and Amazon. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.